Tridosha Sthana and Kalas. There are three doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Idea is that whenever a dosha is dominant, do the things that are opposite to dosha so as to keep in balance. Sthanas of Tridosha are Te Vyapi Napi Runnabhyo Rado Madhurdva Saushraya. Sandhi Vyapinaha plus Api is equal to Vyapinopi. Runnabhyo plus Ado plus Madhya plus Urdhva plus Saushraya equals to Runnabhyor Adho Madhyurdhva Saushraya. Samas Rucha Nabi Runnabi Tabhyaha Antha Madhyaha Adigaha Chate. Meaning of this shloka is, if you divide body into three parts, the top part to the chest is dominated by Kapha dosha, between the chest and umbilicus is dominated by Pitta, and part below the umbilicus is dominated by Vata. Vata dominates in lower abdomen and lower limbs. This means locomotor action, defecation, urination, menstrual periods and childbirth are influenced by Vata dosha. Tridosha dominance in body parts. Pitta dominates in middle parts of the body. This means all the digestion and metabolism is influenced by Pitta dosha. Kapha dominates in the chest and upper part of the body. This means some functions of the brain, respiratory activity, etc. are influenced by the Kapha dosha. Now we are going to see 5 types of Vata dosha and their location, function and Vyadhi related to it. Pranavayu. Sthan is head, throat, tongue, thoracic region, organs of oral cavity, nose, etc. Functions are respiration, deglutition, heart rate, intellect, spitting, sneezing, belching, etc. Vyadhis, hiccups, bronchial asthma, allergic rhinitis, facial paralysis. Udana Vata. Sthana, lungs, trachea, larynx and nasal cavity, pharynx, etc. Karma, expiration, speech, strength, complexion, memory, etc. Vyadhi, Urdhva Jatrugat Roga, that is asthma, cough, inability to speak, memory loss, etc. Vyanavayu. Sthanas are heart, sancharan in whole body, karma, circulation of blood, muscle movement, joint, coordination, sweating and wound healing. Vyadhis, hypertension, circulatory disorders, excessive sweating, dryness, muscle cramps, paralysis and joint disorders, that is arthritis. Samanavayu. Sthan near Jatharagni and Koshta, karma, kindles Agni, absorption and separation of nutrients from the waste. Vyadhi, indigestion, malabsorption, IBS, diarrhea, constipation and metabolic disorders. Apanavayu. Sthan, large intestine, bladder, karma, elimination of waste, reproduction, Vyadhis, constipation, urinary disorders, infertility. Pachak Pitta. Sthana, stomach, small intestine, karma, digestion, metabolism, Rolin Nidana, acidity, ulcers, diarrhea. Ranjak Pitta. Sthana, liver, spleen, karma, blood transformation, coloration, Rolin Nidan, jaundice, diarrhea, anemic conditions, liver disorders. Sadhak Pitta. Sthan, heart, brain, karma, intelligence, emotions, memory, Rolin Nidana, stress, anxiety and depression. Alochak Pitta. Sthan, eyes, karma, vision, light perception, Rolin Nidan, eye diseases, cataracts and weak vision. Bhrajak Pitta. Sthan, skin, karma, complexion, temperature regulation, Rolin Nidan, pathogenesis, skin disorders, rashes, excessive sweating. Now 5 types of kapha. First is Kledak kapha. Sthan, stomach, karma, moisture, digestion protection. रोल इन निदान, indigestion, nausea, आमा accumulation, अवलंबक कफ, स्थान हार्ट एंड लंग्स, कर्म स्ट्रेंथ, म्यूकस फॉर्मेशन, रोल इन निदान, अस्थमा, ब्रोंकाइटिस, कंजेशन, बोधक कफ, स्थान टंग, माउथ, कर्म टेस्ट परसेप्शन, सलाइवा प्रोडक्शन, रोल इन निदान, लॉस ऑफ टेस्ट, ओरल इन्फेक्शंस, तर्पक कफ, स्थान ब्रेन, सेंस ऑर्गन्स, कर्म मेंटल स्टेबिलिटी, lubrication, रोल इन निदान, ब्रेन फॉग, साइनस कंजेशन एंड डलनेस, श्लेषक कफ, स्थान जॉइंट्स, कर्म lubrication, joint mobility, रोल इन निदान, arthritis, stiffness and joint pain. Now त्रिदोष and their relation with काल. वयोः रात्रि भुक्तानां तेंत मध्यादिघाक्रमात् संधि वय अहोरात्री वय अहोरात्री ते अंत मध्य आदिगः इक्वल्स टू तेंत मध्यादिगा. समास वयः अह रात्रिः भुक्तं च तेषां. मीनिंग वय ड्यूरिंग चाइल्डहुड kapha dosha is dominant, during middle age pitta dosha is dominant, and during old age vata dosha is dominant. During the first time of the day kapha dosha is dominant, during second time, that is during afternoon, pitta dosha is dominant, and during night vata dosha is dominant. After eating and digestion, in the beginning kapha dosha is dominant, in the middle pitta dosha is dominant, and in the end vata dosha is dominant. Kapha season, winter and early spring. Cold damp weather increases mucus production and respiratory issues. Modern correlation, higher prevalence of flu and respiratory infections. Season, summer and early autumn. High heat leads to increased metabolism, dehydration and skin issues. Modern correlation, higher risk of heat strokes, dehydration and inflammation. Vata season, late autumn and monsoon. Dry and windy climate leads to joint pain, anxiety and digestive issues. Modern correlation, reduced atmospheric pressure and cold joint stiffness linked to arthritis and seasonal affective disorders SAD due to lower sunlight exposure. During childhood, kapha dosha is dominated. Growth, tissue formation, high immunity. Modern correlation, higher growth hormone GS level, increased anabolic activity, stronger immune response. During adulthood, pitta dosha is dominated. It causes peak metabolism and energy transformation. Modern correlation, high metabolic rate, peak reproductive hormone levels, that is testosterone, estrogen, etc., and optimal conjugative function. During old age, vata dosha is dominated. It causes degeneration, dryness and instability. Modern correlation, decrease in collagen, wrinkles, joint issues, reduced neurotransmitter activity, memory loss, dementia and muscle atrophy, that is sarcopenia. During 6 am to 10 am and 6 pm to 10 pm, kapha dosha is dominated. It is dominated by stability and heaviness. Modern correlation, high melatonin levels in the morning, sleep inertia, low cortisol and reduced metabolic rate. In the evening, melatonin secretion start leading to relaxation. Pitta, 10 am to 2 pm and 10 pm to 2 am, peak digestion and metabolism. Modern correlation, midday corresponds to maximum digestive enzyme activity and peak metabolism. The night phase is linked to liver detoxification and repair. Vata, 2 am to 6 am and 2 pm to 6 pm, activity, movement, creativity. Modern correlation, early morning allies with increased cortisol, afternoon correspond to peak brain alertness and efficiency. Thank you.